in here, get in here, get in here. Welcome to my channel. No glitz, no glamour, just D. Believe me, there's no glamour here. No glamour at all. 48 hours, nearly 48 hours. Midnight will be 48 hours post-op. And I'm telling you now, you people be lying. You be lying, but it don't hurt. Don't lie. Why are you trying to be slick for? You well know it hurts. Damn, Jesus Christ. I'm telling you. I've seen my boobs. I went with the breast reduction. See where I've been leaking. There you go. Had a breast reduction instead of the uplift. I went with the T-scar. I had no choice really because of my boobs. But I trust the process and I trust the surgeon. Dr. Taha, he's amazing. Best clinic, absolutely amazing. I don't think much of this hospital at all. Floria, I have to ask for everything. Ask for my drains to be emptied. Ask for my catheter bag to be emptied. I have to ask all the time for my meds, sometimes refusing them. Ask for the bin to be emptied. You know, it's just not good enough. The simple, basic things. My head is pounding when I stand up to go for my walks, and they can see I'm in discomfort, but it's like they don't care, which is fine. But just give me some meds and I'll go away quietly. So I can't wait to get back to the hotel and a bit of normal surroundings, and let's see if the best clinic staff will come like they're supposed to and administer my medication and continue with the massages. I had my first lymphatic massage today. It was a bit tender, but I felt the benefits of it, you know, so I'm not going to complain. It was really nice. It was what was needed. Bear with me, I'm out of breath. Yeah, this hospital's made my time not the greatest at all. I shouldn't have to cry to get what I need. I've been getting myself up to walk. So I've done all that unaided. The first night after surgery, about 4 o'clock in the morning, I came back about midnight. I had my first walk to help me. And then after that, I've done it with one person, and now I just do it on my own, or I do it with my friend. She's in the shower. The discomfort is unreal. I've had breast reduction, extensive work on my abdominals, because I had some visceral fat in there as well. I've had lipo 360 with J plasma and a tummy tuck. So I'm not seeing the rest of my body really, because I can't see down. So I'm hoping to get some photos tomorrow, so I can share them with you. Sweet Lord. Wow. And where the stitches are in my vajayjay to hold the tubes. Oh, sweet Lord. Oh. I don't know whether I'm coming or going. I think I'm draining okay. If you don't like blood and you're squeamish, you might want to look away now. But I've not got much draining out. It's hardly nothing there. I'm doing really well on that note. Food not bad here. I don't eat because I'm hungry, I eat to survive. So when I get back to the hotel, I can really have what I want. Like my pasta and sauce, and I found a lovely little restaurant around the corner from where I'm staying. They do amazing soup, they do doner meat, even though I'm not a meat eater, but Didn't let me taste it, so I said I'll try. I've got dry lips. Excuse me. Can't have everything right. Show you what's going on. This is me. That's just my inner thigh. Don't think it's anything else. Got my stockings on. They're really comfortable actually. I've got all my padding going on in here, so I'm padded nicely. My friend's stuck in the bathroom, shame.
Trying to drive half a floor with it.
So yes, this is my vlog on my nearly 48 hours post-op. I will show you how I'm walking, which is good. I think I'm doing very well. I've managed to wash myself, of course, brush my teeth, of course. Did all that this morning. So that's within the first 24 hours. But that's just me, you know. It's who I am. Yeah, thought I'd freshen up. Give the butt crack a little clean. Go around the vajayjay. Armpits, face, all up here, my arms, with a bit of Dettol water and my Dettol soap. So I feel cleaning myself. I went around my table and stuff. Just go around the whole room and keep it clean, because these lot aren't going to do it, trust me. They're not going to do it. We've just had to ask for the bin to be emptied. It was spilling over. Florida staff, I'm telling you, there might be a few decent ones, but they have nothing. They need training in care, and it's just basic care, because I'm not asking for anything major. So yeah, that's where we're at. But this clinic will take over tomorrow when I'm back at the hotel, and we'll see how they do. And if it's not right cracky, I'll have something to say about that as well. Didn't pay this money to be mistreated. You know, nobody does. We're talking about basic care. So hopefully Best Clinic, when they take over, it will be much better. I can go out and buy some fruit from where I'm staying. I can go and get something to eat. I can walk around in the area, because it's depressing walking up and down a hallway. Going out my mind. So in the morning I'm just going to pack up as early as I can, just get off out of here. And I'm going to buy some meds of my own as well, so I'm not left suffering at the hands of people. So make sure you do that, yeah? Buy your own stuff. Now I've got everything at home, like you said, like you've seen. But I thought I'd be alright here. I thought they'd administer what I needed, but it's not the case. So I'm kicking myself. I should have just brought everything here with me. Yeah. So that's it for now. Got all this going on the side of my bed, which helps me sit up. Let me just turn the camera around a bit. That's my friend's where she's staying.
Cleaning up with Dettol in the bathroom.
She's there with Dettol in the bathroom, she's saying. Got my TV there, finally got that working. Got a fridge, because the other one, this one wasn't working. So we've got another, so this bin is just sat here for decoration purposes. But yeah, that's it. Oh shit, don't cough, don't cough, don't cough, Lord. I've not been to the toilet yet. I asked today for something to help me go. I've not been since Wednesday, so they gave me some lactulose, but that's been it. It's going to take more than one little shot, you know what I'm saying? Lips are dry. I have to keep asking for water. Do you think that would come as standard? It's just a bit of a farce here. So I don't know what else to say about this Floria hospital. It's not the greatest. I don't believe. Ow. Fuck's sake. Ow. Oh, it burns when you cough. I'm gonna get off because I need to cough properly and I need to sit up and I don't want you to see this trauma. Oh. But just know, this is my 10 minutes of distress and I'll be back soon with another vid. I'll let you see me walking. Alright, so that's it from me. No glamour, no glitz or ras, just take care all. Wait, I'm still here. Doing my vlog. As promised, I said I'd show you.
They come to the side, yeah.
Look away now. I'm not draining anything. 48 hours post-op. Oh,
Nearly there, yeah.
48 hours post-op. Having a little walk. Coughing is murder. I mean, murderation. Might go dark down here because the lights are out. Look at okay. That's what the girl's looking like so far.
Got a lot of padding though, ain't you, around here as well?
Got padding all over. It's been hard. I'm not going to lie. I keep saying that because I'm not lying. Because a lot of people that I've seen on YouTube, I feel have been led me up the garden path. Is it too dark down here?
We can still see you, it's fine.
Yeah. I've been led right good up the garden path. But still been aware that this wasn't going to be an easy ride. It's not an easy ride. You do need a support network, you really, really do. You can't rely on these peeps here, and that's for sure. I'm going back to the hotel tomorrow, walking back, where the best clinic, Istanbul staff, will take over and continue my care at the hotel. I'm still in hospital now, I tell you. It's not for me.
Can't wait to leave, can we?
I can't wait. It's my friend speaking role, gives me support, my companion. I've made sure my bag's packed already. Crack a door, seat doctor, I'm off. Don't need to hang around here any longer.
Look how straight you are.
I'm pretty straight.
Yeah, you're pretty straight. Yeah, you're doing real well.
What's going on? Coffee's the worst, I'll tell you now. If I could live my life without coffee, I really, really would. It's the most intense pain ever. But I'm getting there. So I would.
We can see you better again now.
Hey?
Can see you better again now.
Yeah, it's in the light. I'll take you back to the room with me so you can have a look. Yeah. Midnight, 48 hours. 48. It's been stress and drama.
Get to the airport.
Trains have been delayed, which means trains were delayed 3 hours, which means I was delayed getting here to have all my testing done, which meant I was delayed getting into surgery. My appointment was meant to be 3. I didn't go down for my surgery till 7. There was an inspection going on here. Fair enough, can't be helped. Came up, went on kind of like 6 at midnight. So yeah, it's just been one thing after another. The fridges are working, like I said. Some of the fruit's gone off because it was at room temperature. Yeah. The cleaner's coming at silly times. Oh, I mean silly times.
Let you see how you get in and out.
Oh, pardon?
Let them see you how you're managing to get in and out. You've done really, really well, haven't you?
I know I may walk a bit further, but I'm just not able.
You're tired, aren't you?
I'm not able for it. I am whacked. My head's beating. My lips have been dry, but I put some lip seal on because nobody wants to be ashy. Oh. Don't need that one. That's as much use as a chocolate fire, guys. Yeah.
It's your and Andy.
This is.
That's for your cables. Hold on.
Oh. Oh. Move myself along. Leave the bus. Oh, Jesus.
You managed there, yeah? I'll get you.
I'm managing. Oh. Oh, the pain, the fire. It's like fire in my back. Or when I cough, it's like a volcano erupting in my side. Yeah, I've got some peace tea here. I've got my little bits, my kidney bowl for all things I want. This has been real rough. I think my next video will probably be, I've already packed my suitcase ready to go tomorrow.
Wait, no, so what am I?
Eh?
I'm just pulling your video up so you're not peeping me.
That's just my skin that you can
It
see
is,
down here.
it is.
My inner thigh. You can't see my monkey's forehead. I'll probably video again tomorrow when I get back to the hotel and settle in. So
Takes your breath, doesn't it?
yeah, you get full really quick with what they've given you as well. Your stomach just seems like it's really small. You can't fit as much in. I've got a headache now again because I've walked. I don't know if that's just my side effect, but when I walk I get a smashing headache. But yeah, so from glitz, no glitz, certainly no glamour, just D with two E's. I'm going to wish you all a good night and I'll be back tomorrow. Peace out.